Hello folks, this is Alan here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Today we're taking a look at this super nice Kewnorth T880 quad axle dump with an Allison automatic transmission. Mileage is around 399, so just under 400k. Super nice, been through the shop, service inspected, ready to go to work. We have financing here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. If you need financing or would like to apply, give us a call at 336-789-1138. You can also apply on our website by clicking the financing tab, starting application, and click submit when you get finished. If you have any questions, again, 336-789-1138. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel or some other platform, if there's information missing, mileage, etc., some things don't always pull over to the other websites, but our website will have all the information. That is vastets.com. It's on our sun right there. Zoom in. Vastets.com, telephone number 336-789-1138. Elliptical body, bed's in immaculate condition. Henderson spring suspension, all aluminum wheels. We have delivery to all 50 states as well as overseas. We've even shipped these to Hawaii, which is part of the 50 states. So anywhere and everywhere is possible to ship these trucks, not a problem. If you'd like to come and check this truck out in person, take it for a test drive, you can visit us at our North Carolina location. That's 115 Wisconsin Lane, Mount Airy, North Carolina. Come on in and take it for a test drive and check it out. We can do everything here on lot, so feel free to come in and check that out. Fill out a credit application, whatever you'd like. You've got 20,000 fronts and 46,000 rears. There's that mileage, 399, 175. Allison automatic transmission, engine brake, cruise control, power windows, power locks, lock and rear differentials. We have a fleet of these. This is the first one that came through the shop, so if you need more than one, we actually have 7 of those, and we have many other automatic quads coming in as well. We have 7 or 8 Peterbilts also, but super nice T880 here. Come on in and check it out. Again, 336-789-1138 is our phone number. 115 Wisconsin Lane, Mount Airy, North Carolina is our address. And you can visit us on the web at vastets.com. Look forward to helping you here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Thanks and God bless.